Alright mate, Bike Park Wales today. First time riding here. There's loads to choose from, I'm not going to get everything in, but we'll see what we can do. So yeah, cheers.
So the boys.
It's Saturday, I'm on my fresh behavior. Live now to the fullest, live your life, get paper. Slide through my city, mind splatter like a painter. Let it just paint a picture, it's singing in C major. Foot up on the dash, she's sitting in my passenger seat. Hair in her face, she's sleeping, I won't wake her. She act away around me, but today she's perfect. That's why she got this peace in my heart.
And I knew it would start before it ended, from before the start began it. Aspire for the best, start line to the finish. Ain't settling for less, so I push it to the limit. My vehicle ain't rented, the owner of this vision. Quit hoping in my wishing, cause I don't need permission for wishing. I see it in my sights, the way I'm living. Forgiving all of my haters, thanks for the lipping. Hope I brought light to the darkness in which you're living.
The curtain's set to open, I'm holding my position. Excitement is crackling in the air, so I listen. Deep breath, glance at all my players. I can almost feel the lights dimming. Hair standing up on the back of my arms, it's amazing. The ocean roar of people clapping their palms and they waving. It's the calm before the storm, then the talent's raining. The deep breath before the plunge, and the water's waiting.
Just a couple of things and I will touch my dreams.
Just a couple of minutes and it'll be my time.
Too close to the finish, I might lose my mind.
I can't let this slide, I gotta get my shine.
Just a couple of things
And I will touch my dreams. Just a couple of minutes and it'll be my time.
too close to the finish, I might lose my mind.
I can't let this slide, I gotta get my
Shine,
shine.
waiting like a bobble outside in the dark. Dark till the sun hits it, causing trouble with the spark. Park next to 106 at 100, cause I'm from the 2. I got words, more words than I've sung to you. I wrote a letter, and a song is what it's coming to. 2 rap veterans, humbly from a younger you. You gotta be kidding, all of these written still I'm under you, bruh. Love blind, Stevie Wonder Jr.
It ain't discreet, I wanna reach to the sky so the stars are all at my feet. I look at the sky, wish the clouds would speak. A word from the wise, times I need an ink. A sip with a sign when I need a drink. Oftentimes I'm too high when I need to think. But I need to see where my heart's moving. Yeah, let it breathe, let the art do me.
I can't stop thinking about places I'll be later, cause places I've been lately, my diet is all catered. I change like a quarter machine to give you gumbo. Straight out the chute, I got them chewy like the gumbo. And it's only ever as real as you allow for. We live this life to the death, word to Alamo. We spend it here with no care for what it's gonna cost, cause when you blow kill, you feel like you've done it all. Just a couple of things and I will touch my dreams.
Just a couple of minutes and it'll be my time.
Too close to the finish, I might lose my mind.
I can't let this slide, I gotta get my shine.
Just a couple of things
and I will touch my dreams. Just a couple of minutes and it'll be my time.
too close to the finish, I might lose my mind.
I can't let this slide, I gotta get my shine. My shine,
My shine,
my shine,
my shine,
my shine,
my shine.
I gotta get my shine.
My shine,
My shine,
my shine,
my shine.
my shine.
yeah.
I gotta get my shine.